Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this episode again, the tutorials about making installer with Windows Phone installer. So if you guys haven't subscribed, just make sure you subscribe on to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, just leave your comments, anything, so I can see anything about it. So the names, if you want to put the installer, just put in just your name of games, and then type b this DAW so you have gonna to get it to do it. So because in this version I have already know, so you have going to set 32, and the files is about 95 true. Maybe it's 3, I guess that. Your name, so just you put your name, so I have to do this and just like that. It's easy. Now I'm going to pick this color because I always like the 10. The name of the location, I mean your shortcut, just put this exe files skse loader is exe because I've already watched in this folder, so I don't need to worry it, and just add this. And archive, you want to use 7-zip or WinRAR, so you can use that. So I'm going to take it here as 7z and add this, so make sure there's nothing else. If you want to know to get about it, just click this tutorial button. So this is the image if you want to set it. So I'm going to pick the first of this Skyrim, and seconds I'm going to watch that the SS5D. Here we go, and the last of setups with the 3 yeah, there we go. Now on to your shortcuts. Make sure that you have to know how to do it. So 147, and the seconds is about the Skyrim, blah 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 blah. So I'm going to click the cancel. I think I have forgot to do, so I can this to go to icon fx into that. Okay, just click OK anything that you want to do. The basically do this image, if you don't know how to do, just simply drag and drop onto the in here. I'm going to pick SL pass. I'm going to click this big screen. It. You can mute to skip this video. So I have made the icons, so because really so scarf, so I need to a little bit change later. So here we go. I'll try to compile it, and if you want to put the icons, make sure that you have done to do it. So I'm going to grab this and put onto the icon FX. And try to export to no, just save this. The icon in here is untitled, and maybe pause with this. And so I'm going to grab the icon this here, and we have done. I'm going to put onto the situation, so I just click in there and wait, then compile it. And you compile so successfully, and you can close it. I'm going to delete how the installation should be like to look at. Okay, let's start with this, and we have gonna see what's going on. Now, this is installation should be look like. And click install, and here we go. See, I told you that looks like this. So I'm going to click yes, and thanks for watching. So I hope you guys really enjoy, and I'll see you later, guys. Goodbye.